Hey guys, curious about the Moggr app and whether it's actually free? So Moggr uses AI to analyze your skin, face shape, masculinity or femininity, and even lets you try hairstyles. So let us explore the free parts, the paid perks, and if it's truly worth it. So Moggr is a free download on iOS and Android with in-app purchases, including weekly subscriptions, hairstyle packs, and skin analytics credits, and skin analysis credits. You can upload a selfie and get basic analysis, but detailed insights and glow-up suggestions require a subscription. The app offers AI hairstyle try-ons, up to 50 styles, and facial metrics like symmetry and perceived age, which only appear after subscribing. Users say the free version gets you in the door, but to truly test looks maxing features, you'll need at least a weekly plan, which is $4 or $5. So about the user feedback, positive reviews, highlights realistic hairstyle previews, and helpful tips for transformations. But some users complain that free features are minimal and the subscription only permits one analysis a day, limiting value without paying. So you can indeed use Moggr for free, just expect basic or limited output. And of course, to unlock the full potential of the app, you will need a subscription. So yes, Moggr can be used for free, but it's very limited. If you're testing your look or just curious, it's usable teaser. If you're serious, expect to subscribe. So guys, if this helped, of course, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel of ours for more such honest reviews, and see you next time.